Oh shit!
Wait, what's playing the melody?
This one.
Okay.
What? Yeah, this one says receiver, and this one says sender. How do you receive? I'm gonna start the clock in 45 seconds.
Nice.
3D cards.
I think the move is to make it look nice. Yeah.
Aesthetics, craftsmanship.
We will.
Yeah.
Yeah. You excited, Sean?
I gotta get a name tag.
That's out of the deal.
Okay, I'm gonna be quick on.
Well, I'm gonna like hardware and stuff.
I do a lot of. I'll do some.
Brewing. Oh, look at that.
So it maintains temperature while it's brewing,
Okay.
and then it has a countdown timer, but that has overflowed, I think.
Okay. So what happens then?
It will brew forever, so we don't the hot plates.
While brewing. While brewing equals 1.
Yeah.
No, let's be smarter. There it goes. So that thing's moving, right? Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Oh no. Oh no, who's that? Watch him. Watch you guys.
I'm Xavier.
Xavier and
Adam, and that's Daniel.
Adam and Dan. Good to meet you guys.
All right. So this is just the innards of a microwave.
It's just all this splayed out. You got the fan.
You get the fan
And a transformer.
capacitor.
Okay, all right. So you've got a waveguide or something,
Yeah,
right?
right.
So here's your magnetron.
This would get directed into here, and then
Okay.
this would then sit.
And this is this a special dish or is this like someone's
just a parabolic dish.
parabolic dish?
I made this out of it's actually a birdhouse topper to prevent squirrels.
Oh no way! Oh yeah. You put it like so they can't climb over it. Okay.
And then I used duct tape.
Yeah.
And it creates a focal point in this general area.
Yeah.
And we had a antenna that was just a whole bunch of different
went in-
directions
just a giant-
that would induce an alternating current.
Sure.
And we put
There's
it into
a
this, and
there's a cap on there and a rectifier.
and we had this and you can use
attached
it
right
as
there.
Oh, a little LED diode. Okay. Yeah.
and a resistor.
Yeah. So how long did you run this before they were just like, all right, no?
7 hours.
Yep.
Really?
7 hours. They said no.
And you guys feel good? You feel fine? You don't feel no one's turning green or anything or growing freakishly huge muscles or anything like that?
Soil preparing across
Sorry.
this.
Film. Is that okay?
Make contact. And when we plug this in, it's actually part of the club. It's actually doing the opposite of what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to kick on when it's dry, but you know that triggers the water. Yeah, the party pH meter down here. We would have an acid and base in here, adjust the pH, and then applies it to our soil.
Definitely a different environment.
And we have exhaust fans here for when it gets too hot. And we put up an air dryer here for when it gets too cold. This will kick on and go up there, just to resemble a heater. And we have a photoresistor up here that senses light, and so that works sometimes.
Oh, because of sunlight.
Exactly.
In there.
So if you have poor sunlight for the day, you could hook up supplemental lighting that could help make up for that. And some other things we think about is like having a bunch of nutrient reservoirs. So there goes our heater if it's too cold. That's cool.
I've never seen a Guitar Hero guitar like that.
About to be 3 more like it.
So are you hacking this game right now? Like are you not supposed to be doing as well as you are?
Look at him hack.
Oh, I see. Your suit is lighting up at the same color as your things.
I got the idea.
That was the original idea. But we had a lot of trouble.
So what? So sorry, real quick. What is your name? Jack.
So basically, that was the controller that we were using. So what we did was we took the button inputs, figured out where they were, what they meant on the circuit board, shot them into an Arduino. That Arduino is then powering these relays, which is powering these 5 relays, which are shooting through an inverter, which is basically powering this L wire on his suit.
Okay, yeah. Oh my God! How did you make this thing?
This is foam that we cut.
And what lights are these?
So this is L wire. It's like a
L wire.
It's a phosphorescent. It's electroluminescent wire. I think is what it's called.
Okay.
It's on the screen.
Oh yeah. No, I see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is. Okay. Nice.
Let me take the wire out.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's it going through right now?
It's just going through the main menu.
Okay.
I mean, usually you have the option to do it with the trigger.
So usually this works,
But-
and right now we have to plug it up because it's fried.
Yeah.
Right. So it's just scrolling through.
Dang.
The game is called Circle and Squares. It's the equivalent of tic-tac-toe.
Wait, I thought this was gonna be like a bike, like a biker's app or something, where you go ride your bike
I
and
mean,
it
you
tells.
can eventually do that.
Yeah.
But
With a GPS, with a GPS.
so this one,
Yeah.
you play
And
this
that's like
game
$50
with
each.
that helmet. You play the two helmets. So this person will play that person.
No way.
In circles and squares. Yeah, that's what it does.
Wait, what's circles, squares?
It's just a tic-tac-toe.
Should I?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
We just renamed it because it was hard to
Dang.
make.
So you guys were playing it earlier?
No, because this stopped working and all of our wires came out. That's
Yeah.
our issue. After the judges came out.
Yeah.
That's the good part.
Okay. Nice. Good stuff, guys.
What was it? Yeah, so it's at 5
My name is Matthias. Velodroid is our team name.
What is it?
Velodroid. Like velo, like bicycle. Basically, this is like a safety conscious bike with turn signal attachments here on the back.
Turn signals. Okay, so
So
you.
if you want to turn right.
All right. Yeah.
And then if you want to turn left, you've got left.
Nice. And there's. So you have a little joystick
Yeah, so
thing
we have a
here.
little joystick here to control it.
Okay.
And we have an accelerometer here on the seat to control for quick deceleration, so you can put
No way.
on automatic brake lights when you decelerate. Lastly, we have an Android app that you put in your destination on bike,
Okay.
and it communicates with Bluetooth to the Arduino. And
Bluetooth.
yeah.
Oh, Wait. Oh. Okay. There's a Bluetooth
There's a
module.
Bluetooth module in the Arduino.
So
And
it's
then-
Arduino, and there's a GPS in there somewhere?
no, it's just the Bluetooth. The GPS is on your phone. So the
Oh, GPS on the phone. Okay.
So Bluetooth is on here on the seat thing, and up here it'll tell you directions automatically. So it'll tell you like,
What?
oh, you have to turn left and like.
Oh, the LED blinks left or right.
Yeah.
when
So
you-
and then it'll automatically turn on your turn signal too when that happens.
No way. That's sweet.
Yeah.
Good stuff, man. Thanks, Matthias.
Makeathon 2017. This is a magnetic card spoofer. So you can see our nice 3D printed enclosure with block O.
Yeah, who made that?
It's me. my great contribution. Anyway.
Okay, so what's going on here?
So,
we have
yeah,
magnetic.
we have a magnetic. So basically, a magnetic card reader, and what we do is we can use any Buck ID or magnetic card, basically anything that stores information on a magnetic strip, and we can use our card reader to see what's actually stored on there.
Okay, wait, let's see that real quick.
Okay, so this is
So
the magnetic strip.
yeah, Buck ID. So that's
Buck
the
ID,
magnetic strip.
so like
Okay.
That
Yeah.
that translates.
So you
this
swipe
to
it?
Swipe, and it translates to.
So I swipe it again. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, so that a circuit that allows us to flip the current going through this coil rapidly on and off.
Yeah.
Not on and off. Reverse the polarity of the current.
Yeah.
Which creates alternating B fields. We have the information stored on a magnetic strip, and we send that through the coil to a card reader, so we can demonstrate. So like
you turn it
I
on.
think someone's credit card is on here, and then we can put it.
Yeah, that's my credit card on there right now.
So you can like this LED indicates that something was read, so you can hit the
Okay,
button.
so you press the button, and then
the
it's
button.
sending the.
It's sending the magnetic
code that's
strip.
stored in there,
It's jiggling to the magnetic card.
Okay, so do it.
That's
So wait,
yeah.
do it again. So you press it. Okay, and there it shows up. It says Nicholas,
Security napkin.
and then other stuff that I don't want you to read because that's my actual credit card.
So yeah,
So if I just gave you a credit card off the street, you could swipe that thing, right?
yeah,
and it would show up.
Yeah, Buck ID,
Yeah.
Chuck E. Cheese tokens.
Chuck E. Cheese. Wait, so I'm gonna show real quick, just so you guys get a better idea. This is the trace. This is the trace signal of the oscilloscope. We probed up. There's a little. So the reader on here. That's it gonna focus. We have these three little wires that we soldered onto the sensor side of this magnetic strip reader, and we scoped them up. And so this is the signal of a card going through. So you swipe through, and there's little bits, little north and south magnets that are on this strip. And so you can see the like the denser packed here. So this is like maybe a couple ones, bits, and these are like zeros. And so this is also there's three parallel traces on this magnetic strip. And so this is say trace 1 and trace 2, the first two that are most commonly used. And so that's the data that's stored in them. And you can see for the same card that we generated with our spoofer, when we, like I said, when we press that button, it generates the signal, and the magnetic strip reader has 3 different sensors on it that reads the 3 tracks, and instead of reading them individually like it did with the card, See how there's different data on this line and this line? Well, when we send the field just with a coil like that, then all the sensors in there pick up the same data. So you can see how there's basically the yellow and the blue trace look the same. You can see the same data pattern on both traces. So that's the thing, right? Is like the magnetic card has like 3 tracks on it, whereas this is like all the sensors read the same thing because the coil is just like blasting the signal. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So you have to send the first track and then the next track, like in succession. Gotcha. And that's why it doesn't always work, is because it's not meant to do that. Right. So you you're basically just like tricking the machine. Yeah. Like, so basically the machine's like screwing up. So it's still working. Ready? Try another card. Down like that. Thank you.
Higher.
Higher. There, right there.
Yay!
Wait, why did we get denied?
Hack. Try again. Authorizing.
You gonna get water?
Do it. Oh.
I don't know. What'd you do to receive it? 40. Which is now 2 minutes ago. How'd you receive it? As long as hour and whatever the time. This is 8:41. And in real life, it's 9:41. So I bet this is reasonably doing.